Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix obstacle or cliff sensor errors on a MOVA V50 Ultra. If it recognizes obstacles, then try seeing if there is actually an obstacle. If you can't locate an obstacle where it has marked it on the map, then there's a high chance that the sensors are dirty. And when it comes to cliff sensor errors, that's also very likely due to the sensors not being clean. By the way, you should clean these frequently. I'd say every 2 weeks you should clean the sensors. It's actually pretty easy to do. You'll just need a microfiber cloth. It can be dry, can be soaked in isopropyl alcohol, or I don't know, window cleaning solution, or you could use water. And then remember, if you're using water, use a dry cloth afterwards to prevent any stains or smudges. Now you can see on the right side of the robot, we can already see a sensor that we should clean. That's an IR sensor. Then on the front of the robot, there's a bit more happening here, because we have the camera with the light, but on both sides of the camera there are also IR sensors, so we should clean all of that. And then on the back of the robot, you should also clean the charging sensor and charging pins. Then get to the bottom of the robot, and on both sides of the motored wheels, like on both sides of the robot next to the motored wheels, you'll find the cliff sensors that you should clean. And also on the front bottom of the robot right here, there are two black cliff sensors on the sides of the omnidirectional wheel. And from now on it should be working just fine. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.